So I recorded this video about a month ago, planning to release it that weekend, and I never did because it was on my. I have two laptops right now. I have one for what I'm recording off of right now, and then I have my dad's, which I use for videos usually. So I didn't have time to transfer it because he's working out of town. So he took his laptop with him the day after I recorded this stuff. So yeah, basically I finally got around to it, and we need content. So we're gonna post one video each weekend for the rest of the year. We're gonna put 4 videos out in a month, which I've never done, and I have 3 recorded. 3 hours on last. We'll do that, and then we'll do an end of the year video. Probably just a recap of all the crap I've done, which is not a lot. I really thought I would do more in this year, like considering where I started at the beginning of the year, but who knows? We'll see how these things go. So yeah, so I'm gonna let you see this. It's basically just a time lapse, so it's probably gonna be like a 15-minute time lapse of this building. So you just follow along, and if you want to, and I had fun doing it. I was bored. It was a Saturday night, nothing else to do. So yeah, I'll see you probably at one point in the video where I'm gonna pause. Okay, playing a game. I didn't realize I was online. So, as you can tell, I started building this world out. It's 2 hours in. I haven't done anything with the trains. It's just building a yard. And I can't really hear the game right now because I have hooked up surround sound, and then I have a video playing in my head. So I have 2 things happening at once right now, and it's actually kind of insane. So, I want to keep building this out and do a time lapse. And I might stop in the middle of it because I have stuff all over my hands. Because I did an oil change on the truck today. So, we'll see. So, let the time lapse begin.
say so. Sail away. Sometimes I really wanna sail away. Leave all those things I did yesterday. Is there a place I can stay? Sometimes I really wanna sail away. Lately all my nights are feeling scripted, swapping things to keep me lifted. It's pain that I'm releasing. Please tell me a lie I can believe in, and offer me some healing. Won't you please give me a reason? I'll tell you how I'm feeling right now. If you want me to let it go, just say so. Sail away. Sometimes I really wanna sail away. Leave all those things I did yesterday. Is there a place I can stay? Sometimes I really wanna sail away.
So, so yeah, I've done quite a bit of work. As you see, it's been like an hour of time lapse at this point. I've like just messing around with this. So I got that done, all the fencing done. That's done. Got some signs up. This right now was gonna be another yard, but I'm tired, and I think I'm just gonna go like this and put this down for now. So at least I can pull locomotives in here and pull them in the yard for now. So yeah, that's good enough for now. I'm gonna go start naming all of these switches, because if I go into here, you have all the different cars. I've been using a number system, so this is what 100 class, this is 200 class, 300 class, 400 class, 500 class, 600 class, 700 class, 800 class, 900 class, and 1000 class. And then locomotives or whatever. 1, 2, 3. So I've been doing that for rail cars. So I'm gonna divide this to 100, 500 class of cars on the right, and then 600 to 1000 class on the left. So all the cars will line up there, and then the passenger cars will just go in the passenger terminal. Which, if you have any ideas how to make this look better, let me in the comments. Or I play usually on Saturdays at anywhere from 7 to about 10:30.
Yeah, now that I record this, this times I don't really stream anywhere right now as of right now, because I'm just in school right now. My grades were a lot lower. They just like dropped because of the bad test I just had. So I have more work. So I will not be playing that right now. You just check my Twitch out at 747 Plays. Just look on there once in a while, see when I'm up. Like, I'll probably be up and running in like a couple days here. But honestly, this is the end of the video. I'm just gonna cut it off here. I'm not gonna show the rest because it's nothing really important. I never ended up naming any of these, and sorry for the crappy audio because I didn't realize how echoey it is in here. I bought the soundproofing stuff, and it's been delayed by like 2 weeks, so it sounds like crap in here. But whatever. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. Sub to the channel. Goals 100 subs by the end of the year, which is not that far away. And I'm gonna now that I'm at the end, I'm gonna try posting twice a week, but we'll see what happens with school, because I did just have another test to fix that grade, but I don't know how that's gonna go, so we'll see. And as I apologize again for the audio, but yeah, I'll see you guys next week for the next video. Peace out.